Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to connect your Squarespace domain to WordPress. This process allows your domain to remain registered with Squarespace while directing visitors to your new WordPress website. It is different from transferring, which moves your domain registration completely. We will focus on connecting, which primarily involves updating a few key settings. This method is often quicker and helps maintain existing email services linked to your domain. To begin, log into your Squarespace account. Navigate to your domain settings, usually found under Settings, then Domains. Here, you will look for Advanced DNS settings or name server configuration options. Your WordPress hosting provider will supply the specific name servers or DNS records you need. It is crucial to copy these details precisely, as any small error can prevent your domain from connecting correctly. Next, log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Upgrades and then Domains or Hosting and Domains. You will see an option to add a domain. Select Use a domain I own. Type in your Squarespace domain name. When prompted, ensure you select Connect your domain rather than Transfer. WordPress will then guide you through the setup, providing the exact name servers or DNS records you need to input back into Squarespace. After obtaining the necessary information from WordPress, return to your Squarespace domain settings. Replace the existing name servers with the WordPress name servers, or add the specified A and C name records. DNS changes can take up to 48 hours to fully propagate across the internet, though it often happens much faster. Once updated, check the connection status in your WordPress dashboard. Finally, set your connected domain as the primary domain for your WordPress site to complete the process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.